Tirumani Madam or Narayanan Perumal Temple, also called Badrinarayana Perumal Temple. It is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, located in Tirunangur, Tamil Nadu. Constructed in the Dravidian style of architecture, the temple is glorified in the Divya Prabandha, the early medieval Tamil canon of the Alvar saints from the 6th to 9th centuries AD. It is one of the 108 Divya Desham dedicated to Vishnu, who is worshipped as Narayanan and his consort Lakshmi as Pundari Kavali. The legend of all the 11 temples of Tirunangur are closely associated with each other. As per legend, the Lord Shiva started dancing in fury at this place after the death of his consort Uma due to the sacrifice of Daksha. Each time his lock of hair touched the ground, there were 11 other forms of Shiva who appeared. The celestial deities were worried that if the dance continues, it would result in decimation of entire creations. They prayed to Vishnu for help, who appeared at this place. On seeing Vishnu, Shiva's anger was reduced and he requested Vishnu to appear in 11 forms like he did. On his request, Vishnu appeared in 11 different forms at Tirunangur. The 11 places where Vishnu appeared are believed to be where the 11 temples in Tirunangur are located. The 11 Rudras called Egadas, Rudras and King of Devas, Indra, are believed to have worshipped Vishnu at this temple. The presiding deity of Badrinath temple, Badrinath, is believed to have visited the place on the request of Shiva. Ramanuja is believed to have learned Tirumandiram from Tirukoshtiur Nambi at this place. The temple has a 5-tiered Rajagopuram and all the shrines of the temple are enshrined in a granite wall. The central shrine is built on an elevated structure and is reached by a flight of steps. There is a hall adjacent to the right of the Rajagopuram, where the festival image of the 14 temples in Tirunangur and its surrounds are housed during the Tirumangai Alvar Utsavam. The shrine of the consort of Narayana Perumal is located in the second precinct around the sanctum. The image of the presiding deity is spotted in the sanctum in standing posture facing east. The temple tank is located opposite to the Gopuram. The Tirumangai Alvar Mangalasana Utsavam is celebrated in the Tamil month of Thai. The highlight of the festival is Garuda Sevai, an event in which the festival images of the 11 Tirunangur Tirupatis are brought on mount designed like Garuda, called Garuda Vahana, to Tirunangur. The festival image of Tirumangai Alvar is also brought on a Hamsa Vahana and his Pashurams, dedicated to each of these 11 temples, are recited during the occasion. The festival images of Tirumangai Alvar and his consort Kumudavalli Nachiyar are taken in a palanquin to each of the 11 temples. The verses dedicated to each of the 11 temples are chanted in the respective shrines. This is one of the most important festivals in the region, which draws thousands of visitors. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.